interesting here today. Let's look about this batteries again. What batteries? How much this battery is bypassing energy themselves are true. If you look in the case and directly at this thing one here unit, we get 0 here in the effort here. We just can calculate so yeah. 23. And they have a capacity inside these batteries, but they don't have a yet maybe touch both the case of canyon in order to get any result here. Let's look about here case hertz and no any kind of direct. Now we get here. It's always starting for 1.5 here. Before do 1.5, I get this 1.5 here. Between. So that was the AC, and this is it here. Whoa, 1.5 volt together. This is always going to see. You have to be put onion and cation here table measure here. It was good. Let's think about the hertz again. No hertz, but now it should be hertz. Now hertz is interesting here. What is hertz are? Anyway. Whoa, 3.4 this in here. Let's get some calculates. 11. And the ampere part here. The resistance between these two units can be measured. Whoa, there are some kind of a transition. Incredible here. 2. It's always story for 2. AC. Ampere. You should be always looking for the radius here. The record here. Oh, that wasn't that good. Not good whatsoever here. There's a record here, and then the product. The product is the case of the factor, which we are measuring about here. The electric is a condition here. It's about recording to the species machine. And here we calculate for this kind of a but the bobber has the different things going on. And that might be as well in order this one here. Take a look around. It's just go 2.2 and suddenly increase about here. So how about in here hertz? Also can be measured here. Well, it doesn't get any kind of a reduce. That was a TAC. Now direct conduction amperes, and whoa, 6 minus 6 here. If you're moving of it other way around, now it's a plus maybe here. 60 L. What does this mean about the 6 ampere here? So we know about this, and there's charging energy here by 6 ampere. What about the total of this part? You can see. What is the R? This means Faraday. How we can calculate the Faradays here? This is up here, and this is voltage here. 0. Nothing going on. Then resistance here. 0. We have to measure the voltage part of the everything here. So therefore we transition this red into the occasion here. Only thing we can measure of those things are, well, what does outer range mean about here? Range. This is some kind of resistance to there's occasion here, omega O M. There's no alternate function here. Hertz only have a case of hertz here. Multimeter here. I have to learn about the flow here. Well, what does it mean 1.3 volt the case of this unit here? I don't know about the it's a conductance here. It's always same 3.3 volt the case than this direct current here. It's always same 1.3. What's the difference between this thing unit here? Measure alpha key. L was standing for 3.7. It's always actually the same here. And there's a Faraday. This is not, well, it's not functional really well. Out the range 10,000. Well, what the hell is this mean? DISC SC microfarads here. I have no idea about here. Looking for internet 0.L. Let's calculate Faraday. Okay, this is interesting here. Okay, Let's look for function of this period here. Does anything going on here? Let's look for voltage. Okay, so direct conduct here. There's absolutely no really motion here. This is usually when things move around here. But now I can measure any kind of emotion about here. It's pretty zero here. Almost 1.2. So we actually get. Are these all things to just get together here? They all are a separate unit 1.2. So can we already get put power off by one battery? No, we cannot do it here. These lights here, so they work a little bit better of those lights here. So let's put in plus and minuses here. And still, so we need minimum 3 batteries to operate this light. And it still does not work here. With this doing piece shame. And it's just take 1 here. Remember, this kind of a direct can be only calculated if you both are engaged here. Like this. It's definitely show something. Now the machine is all putting on like a directly here. Well, nothing seems to work right now. Unless in this direction. But when we remove these batteries here, things just might